Friends, today through this video we are going to learn that for any water tank how we can make indicator circuit. That is, we are going to make a circuit which tells us how much water is there in water tank. To make this circuit we need to use electronic components. First of all, we need LED, this LED which we are LED going to use. Through this only we get to know how much water is there in water tank. In this LED there are two terminals, this longer leg here or this terminal here. This is known as a node. Smaller one is known as cathode. In general terms, we can call a node as positive and cathode as negative. So we came to know in this longer leg is known as a node. And at a node, we have to connect positive power supply. After this smaller leg is known as cathode. And at cathode, we have to connect a negative power supply. Now after this, to glow this LED, we have to connect DC power supply. And for DC power battery supply, we will use a battery. You can use 9V to 12V battery here. Now this battery here, we cannot connect power supply from battery directly with LED because operating voltage of LED is 2 volt or 3 volt. This is why we need to use a resistor, which we will use here. Resistor will be of 1 kiln color coding of 1 kiln. Resistor is brown, black, red, and gold is the tolerance. So bypass this. That is, you can use other tolerance. Also we will use this resistance to reduce voltage. So to provide 2 volt or 3 volt to LED, we will reduce voltage through resistor. Now besides, we have to use a IC. IC is also known as IC relay driver. IC number of this IC is ULN2003. Now in this IC you will get total 16 terminals. In this IC, first of all, understand that which one is first terminal and which one is second number terminal. When you look at this IC, then here you will find a cut. Like here you can see a cut. Place this cut face upper side and look at the left hand side. Here's the cut. When we look towards left, then this is the first number terminal. So this is first terminal. Now we go below this and terminal number continues. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 from upwards to downward. Now from here 9, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 16. In this way terminal number is there for IOK. Then let's learn how to make circuit. To make circuit here we need a LED through which we get indication that how much is the water level in tank. So I'm using total 7 LEDs. If you want, you can use LED of same color or you can use LED of different colors. Also to glow these LEDs we need a battery. So here I have a battery whose voltage is 9 volts. Now this battery we have from positive terminal of battery, connect a wire, and in this tank bring this wire and let this wire touch the bottom. That is, connect this wire with the bottom most of tank. After this, what we have to do in all these LEDs with positive terminal of all these LEDs, with a node, connect positive power supply to this LED we provided. Positive power supply similarly to this LED. Also provide positive power supply. Similarly connect power supply with all the remaining LEDs. To all the LEDs we provided positive power supply. After this IC we have to use this in this IC with 8 number terminal. As I told you, on this terminal we have to connect negative power supply. So with negative terminal of battery, connect a wire and solder this wire with 8 number terminal. After this N9 number terminal here, take positive power supply and solder with this terminal. So to this IC we connected positive and negative power supply. Now to this IC we have to give input command. That is, we have to command here so that output power supply goes from here, which below this LED. To give input command to this IC we will use a wire. We will connect this wire in this tank. First of all, what we will do with the topmost surface of tank, connect a wire and connect this wire with 1 number terminal of IC. After this, below this, connect another wire and with 2 number terminal of IC connect this wire. Similarly we will do connection with all remaining terminals. So first of all, wire of 1 number terminal will be topmost below this 2 number, below this 3 number. In this way connect the wire's input command, which is given here. We get output of this here. That is, from here power supply will generate. So through this power supply we have to glow these LED. We cannot take power supply directly from here to glow LED. In between we have to use resistor, and as I told you, we will use 1 kilo resistor here. If voltage of your battery is high, then according to that you have to select resistor. Now these resistor, we have to connect these. What we will do from this IC, connect the wires, provide input power supply to resistor. Similarly, we will do connection of remaining resistor. That is, with each terminal connect a resistor. So all the resistors are now connected with output terminal of IC. Now the smaller leg of LED here, with this leg connect output terminal of resistor. That is, from the resistor connect a wire and connect this wire with cathode terminal of LED. Similarly, we will do connection of remaining LEDs. So let's complete connections of all these now. See one thing here, this LED will glow when water level in tank is full. That is, if water level in tank is up to this point, then in this condition this LED will glow. After this LED will glow when water level reaches this point, and this one glows when water level reaches here. That's it, friends. So here our circuit is completed. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do like, share, and comment on this video. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.